In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a PDF online, making the process simple and accessible using Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to acrobatadobe.com. You'll land on the home page, and from here look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the sign in button. Give it a click. If you already have an Adobe account, you can go ahead and log in by entering your email address and password. If you're more comfortable using other platforms, you have the option to continue with Google, which is quick and convenient. Once you've signed in, we're going to navigate to the editing tools. Hover your mouse over Edit at the top of the page. This will reveal several options, and from these you want to click on Crop Pages. This tool allows you to modify the visible areas of your PDF pages, focusing on the content that matters most to you. Next, you'll need to select the file you want to crop. Click on Select a File and browse to the PDF stored on your computer. Select it and then wait for the PDF to finish uploading. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and the file size. When your file has been uploaded, it's time to define the crop area. You'll see the pages of your PDF displayed. Drag the border handles that appear on the page to resize the crop area to your liking. This feature is incredibly flexible, allowing you to precisely adjust which parts of the page you'll keep and which parts you'll cut away. Once you've adjusted the crop area to your satisfaction, click on the Crop button. This action will apply your changes, refining your document to the exact dimensions you've set. To save your cropped PDF, click on the 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Download this file. You'll be presented with options to either download the PDF in its current state or as a compressed PDF if you need a smaller file size. Alternatively, if you're looking to download the file in a different format, Adobe Acrobat provides that flexibility. Just choose the format that best suits your needs. Finally, hit the download button to save your tailored document to your device. And that's it. Cropping your PDF pages using Adobe Acrobat Online is a straightforward process, and with these steps you can easily manage and customize your documents whenever you need. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.